Schools are an important step in life for one reason, and that reason is to help students gain knowledge. Throughout schools across the nation, the curriculums fail to implement the most important concept. That concept is using real-life examples. This is because the information taught is not turned into a tool for the rest of your life. It is simply temporary. Many of these tools are used for just 1 or 2 assignments and then are thrown in the trash, where the rest of the tools go. This is frustrating because most of the information taught in schools are useless anyway, such as creative writing. This makes it much more crucial to invest the useful tools into the student's future. Now I know what you may be thinking, why has this problem lingered on for so long? The reason that this problem still exists is because the students will learn the topic, but only temporary for the particular assignment. Because the students learn for a short-term goal, which are grades, it is hard to be successful in the long term. There are 2 ways to solve this problem. The curriculum could change to continue to use these tools throughout the whole year, not just 1 quarter. The second step would be to use real-life implementation through the process to get the students to understand exactly how to use the tools. This shows that there is no limits to the tools and can be used throughout the rest of their lives. The second way to solve this problem is to teach subject matter that is directly attached to real life. Topics like persuasive writing, emailing, templates, and sales pitches are linked to real life, so it would be much easier for the student to implement these tools into their future.